Hello. Well, the last time I videoed myself, it was snowing. And guess what? Yep, here we go again. I've already shoveled this driveway twice yesterday. It's 5:30 in the morning, so it's snowing all night. It's supposed to snow all day. So I'm about to get started, and we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Sisyphus here, because this is like rolling a boulder uphill. It's coming back to me. Anyway, I'm an hour in. Look. See how deep that snow is? And it's coming down still. That's what I just did. Jesus. Anyway, I'm going to keep at it because I don't want to have to dig out of 30 inches. So, I'll be back. Okay. 2 hours in now. I've been shoveling since 5:30. It's 7:30. Let's see if you can see. That snow's pretty deep, that pile. And I gotta get out there to the mailbox. Jeez. I hope you all are doing well this morning. Anyway, I gotta get back to it. See how long I can hang. Have fun. Okay, this is round 4. And, man, this part right here is what I had done earlier. And now it has about, I don't know, 4 inches on it. And I still have to do back there. So my work is cut out for me still. It's going to be cut out all day. But I got a little rest. I ate something. We will see. Anyway, I'll check back in with you, show you my progress. Bye. Hello. Okay. The mailbox is closer, see? And I've dug these trenches. I feel like I should hit a spaceship pretty soon. This is like crazy. It's almost 11 o'clock and it's supposed to snow until 5. Some people say 7, but I can't let it get that deep. I need a plow. I also need a vacation. All right, here we go, back at it. Hello, I'm all dried off and ready to try it again. Round 5. Now, again, everywhere I shoveled probably has about 4 inches on it. And I still haven't gotten to the end of the driveway. So, let's see if I can do it now, but it's snowing harder. They say it's going to go till 9 o'clock now. It was 7 before, as I think I told you. So, here we go. Whew. If you wonder why I'm always breathing hard, it's because this is like ridiculous. I hate snow. I feel like I'm on the wall, like I'm on the Game of Thrones. Anyway, I'll show you how far I got, if you can see it. I got down here, almost to the street. There's the mailbox. This is as close as I got to the mailbox. There's our street. And that's the house. That's a big ass pile of snow. Now I'm trying to get to the front door and we'll see how that works. This might be the last one for this day. Because look, it's all covered up. But gotta give it the old college try. Anyway, it's been great talking to you guys. I'll check in tomorrow. Stay safe out there. If you're watching from the West Coast, never mind. Enjoy the warmth. Take care. One more thing. I want to thank Sirius Radio 70s on 7, which I listened to on the app while I was shoveling, for Daz, and for the Silvers, and for Donna Summer, Bad Girls, and the Eagles, because that got me through. That got me through. But probably the thing that got me through the most was Carl Carlton, Kung Fu Fighting, a song that I hate, but it's good to shovel snow to. So anyway, have a good day. Thanks for being with me. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.